निर्मला सीतारमण ने आज लोकसभा में वित्तीय वर्ष 2022-23 का डिजिटल आम बजट पेश करते हुए कहा कि समग्र रूप से भारतीय अर्थव्यवस्था की विकास दर चालू वित्तीय वर्ष में 9.2% रहने की संभावना है।
Honorable Speaker, sir, I present the budget for the year 2022-23. At the outset, sir, I want to take a moment to express my empathy for those who had to bear adverse health and economic effects of the pandemic. India's economic growth in the current year is estimated to be 9.2%, highest among all large economies. With an accelerated improvement of health infrastructure in the past 2 years, we are in a strong position to withstand challenges. I am confident that with Sabka Prayas, we will continue our journey with strong growth. This budget seeks to lay the foundation and give a blueprint to steer the economy over Amritkal of the next 25 years, from India at 75 to India at 100. It continues to build on the vision drawn in the budget of 21-22. Its fundamental tenets, which included transparency of financial statement and fiscal position, reflect the government's intent, strengths and challenges.